Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got another EDC video for you today. So I've been in the market looking for a good full-size multi-tool, and I found this. It's a Ganzo G302-B. I got this off Amazon, and well, first I was looking at a Gerber suspension NXT, and I was watching videos, and I came across a video from Gear Obsession, and he was reviewing the suspension NXT, but he also showed this, and it looked really interesting, so I followed his link to Amazon, and on Amazon it was $28.95, last one available. So after I put that in on my list, and I watched more videos, and I went back and I bought it. Well, later that night I went to my orders on Amazon and I clicked on the item. Now it's listed at 47 bucks. I'm like, wow, I got it for 29. Now it's 47. I went to the Ganzo site and they're 45 bucks on the site, so I got a really good deal on this. On the side it says, thank you for choosing Ganzo Multitools. Ganzo Multitools will help you deal with all kinds of issues in your wilderness, survival, and daily life. When you face kinds of outdoor troubles, Ganzo series multi-tools will make you more confident. Applicable traveling, mountaineering, venturing, traveling through the forest, and collection. Okay. So it comes in this box, sleeve. Get the top off. Got paperwork. Ganzo tool functions. Shows you everything. Points them all out. Might keep that available in case it's something I don't know. Nice stiff nylon pouch. The snap closure, not Velcro. It's got a belt loop here. And you got two belt loops, or two loops here. I'm assuming so you can carry it sideways. Instead of vertical on your belt, you can carry it sideways. Yeah, that really snaps. You can hear it snap. Yeah, it's not just gonna pop open. So here it is. I gotta say it is quite heavy. I don't have my scale out here, or I'd weigh it. Can't remember how much it said. I know I saw one video they weighed everything and it was 12, 13 ounces. Might have been 14 ounces. I think it was 14 ounces. But anyways, nice black coated. No sharp edges. Maybe right on. Some of the tools have thumb studs for one hand opening. You can catch on that just a little bit. Check the pliers out. Easy opening. So here's a spring down here, an external spring. That works really good. Neo nose come together real good. You got your regular pliers there. You have removable carbide or I think it says tungsten alloy, tongue alloy, replaceable tongue alloy. Jaw and lock also includes a pouch. So anyways, I guess you can order these replacement parts. See if it'll cut anything. I got a piece of, I think this is 12-3 wire. Oh yeah. Cuts that good. No damage. You can see the marks from the wire. Oh yeah, you can bend it good. Okay, enough of that. Come over to the side. Oh, I'll point out, when you have it open, it has jimping on the sides. Feels good, gives you some grip. Plus it has these plastic pieces on the bottoms, give it a little more grip. Okay, which one? Let's do this. See the thumb stud, one hand deployment. That would be the saw. So I have a little branch. Let's see if the saw works. Oh yeah, once you get it started, it cuts right through that. See if it starts cutting the PVC pipe. Oh yeah, that'll take you a little bit, but it'll definitely get through PVC. And this one has locks, kind of like the suspension has these, everything, all these tools lock up. So release it, you pull down. I'm using 2 fingers. They fold right up. This one is a serrated knife. It's pretty sharp. See, it'll cut paracord. And it's kind of not cutting paracord. It slices right through cardboard. Here's an awl. Now it's not real sharp, but it's got a pretty good edge. I don't have anything to really dig, but yeah, it goes right through that. See if I can. I can dig a hole right through this little branch. That's cool. It's got a threading hole, you know, to thread leather or real heavy canvas. This side is the main blade. So, anyways, the blade is about 2 2.5 inches. See if this cuts paracord. Almost. It was probably. Let's try it again. Oh yeah, that cuts pretty good. Nice grind, hollow grind. Over here, got the scissors. They feel pretty good. They're better than the ones on the other multi-tool I had. See, it cuts heavier paper. Oh yeah, cuts that good. Cardboard. Yeah, does pretty good on that. See what it calls zip tie. Oh yeah, I like those. Oh, I guess you gotta fold them like this. Save the knife will cut a zip tie. Oh yeah, no problem. Oh, what else is in here? Nail nick on. So you got a bottle opener, or actually this is a can opener. And that's supposed to be a wire stripper. I don't know how good that'll work. See if it cuts around. Well, it did work. That's cool. I didn't think that would work. I haven't seen anybody test that. So, doesn't take a, place of a good wire strippers, but in a pinch, that would definitely work. That's good. Let's get that out. Here you just have a little mini flathead screwdriver. I think that's it on that. But on this side, this is a cool part. Here's your bottle opener, cap lifter. But this part, I didn't show you guys this yet. You get this bit set. Oops, hit the camera, sorry. So what you do, get that out of there somehow. You got a square end that goes on there. It is magnetic. You're not going to shake it off. Let's pick a bit, put that in. It's magnetic also. Yeah. So now you got your driver. That's pretty solid too. I mean, there's some play because it's a multi-tool and you got spacers between everything, but yeah, that's pretty solid. That's locking. You flip it. Yeah. So, like I forgot to mention, didn't really show you. Got this bit set, and it's stored inside the pouch in this back little pocket. I like the fact that, remember which side the blade's on, but one hand opening, one hand close, saw, one hand opening, one hand close. Now this is on the wrong side, so you almost have to use left hand. Well, actually, watch. You can do it right-handed. So, I think this is a really nice tool. I'm going to use it. I got sawdust and everything all over the place. But I'm going to carry this for a while. I'm going to carry it to work. I'm going to use it at work. So, that'll be a test. So, yeah, this isn't something new. This has been out for a few years. There's not too many videos on YouTube about it. I think I just lucked out and I was watching a video on something else and he showed this one and then I started researching. But like I said, I got this for 29 bucks off of Amazon. It was the last one available. When I went back and checked, it was 47 bucks. Then on the Ganzo website, Ganzo tools, they're 45 bucks. So I think I got a really good deal, but tell you the truth, at 45 bucks, I think it's well worth 45 bucks. Now the Gerber mini tools, they've been good. So this is actually my first real big boy multi-tool. But if you like these videos, leave a like, leave a comment what you think. Subscribe to the channel. I'm at 93 subscribers right now. When I get to 100, I think I'll do a giveaway. I don't know what or exactly how I'll do it, but when I surpass 100, I'll do a giveaway. And yeah, this is a pretty nice tool. So I'll give it the run through. I'll use it, abuse it, then maybe I'll come back and give an update. But right now, I'm really happy with it, especially at 29 bucks. So until next time, bye.